Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for an experience like no other. Prepare to be amazed as we witness history in the making. Join us in this extraordinary video capturing the breathtaking moment when a massive fleet of drones comes together to set a Guinness World Record for the largest drone display ever. The sky will light up with a symphony of lights and technology that pushes the boundaries of innovation. Don't miss this mesmerizing spectacle that will leave you in awe. Get ready to be dazzled. Get ready to be inspired. This is the Spectacular Sky Show, where dreams take flight and records are shattered. Join us as we soar to new heights and make history together. Get ready to witness the extraordinary. Are you ready for the sky to come alive? Stay tuned, because the world's largest drone display is about to take your breath away. Let's dive into this dazzling spectacle of innovation and artistry. Don't miss it. Welcome to the Spectacular Sky Show. As we continue our journey into the Spectacular Sky Show, be prepared to embark on an extraordinary adventure. The stage is set, the sun begins its descent, casting a canvas of colors across the horizon. Behind the scenes, teams of skilled technicians and engineers work tirelessly to ensure that every detail is perfect. Meet the masterminds behind this groundbreaking display, the pilots and operators who bring these synchronized wonders to life. As twilight falls, the drones take flight, a symphony of technology ready to create magic in the night sky. Watch as they effortlessly transform into intricate shapes and patterns, mesmerizing all who gaze upon them. From celestial constellations to dynamic kaleidoscopes, these drones are artists of the air. Each movement is choreographed with precision, every light synchronized to perfection. The crowd below can't help but erupt in applause and cheers as they witness this breathtaking spectacle. Faces young and old, filled with wonder, remind us of the magic that innovation can bring. The night sky becomes a canvas, and these drones, the brushes of modern artistry. It's not just about lights, it's a symphony of colors, a dance of technology, a celebration of human achievement. So, hold your breath and get ready for an even more astounding part of the Spectacular Sky Show. The best is yet to come, and we're about to take you on an unforgettable journey through the skies. What's about to transpire will leave you breathless. Watch as the drones seamlessly transform the night into a canvas of dreams. They're not just lights in the sky, they're architects of imagination, recreating iconic landmarks with unparalleled precision. Prepare to be moved as the drones craft stories in the night sky, tales of unity, innovation, and limitless possibility. From symbols of hope to messages of resilience, each formation is a testament to human creativity and the boundless potential of technology. They dance across the canvas of the night, a symphony of lights that transcend the ordinary and touch the extraordinary. Look around, and you'll see tears of joy, smiles of wonder, and hearts filled with inspiration. Innovation Unleashed is not just a slogan, it's a reality that unfolds before your eyes. These drones know no borders. They bring the world together in a display of unity and global spirit. This is more than a show, it's a night of dreams materialized. Ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude this unforgettable journey through the Spectacular Sky Show, we invite you to savor the moment. What you've witnessed tonight is nothing short of extraordinary, a fusion of technology and artistry that has redefined what's possible. As the drones take their final bow, we're reminded that dreams can take flight, that innovation knows no bounds, and that when we come together as a global community, we can achieve the remarkable. But this isn't just the end, it's a new beginning. The legacy of this world record-breaking drone display will continue to inspire generations to come. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we push the boundaries of innovation and unite under the stars. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey through the Spectacular Sky Show. Keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep reaching for the sky. We look forward to sharing more breathtaking moments with you in the future. So, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Until next time, remember, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning of our boundless possibilities. Good night, and may your dreams soar as high as the drones in the Spectacular Sky Show.